Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have cars, so which parking timer you should purchase as a my recommendation and where is available this parking timer. So my recommendation, I have three of them. One of also available I have in the battery. So always don't purchase in battery timer. The battery timer is not good for your budget, and this one expensive, and the battery is sometimes suddenly off, so sometimes you receive the ticket because of the timer is stop. So without battery you should purchase the timer. This one is a 30 Danish krona, this one is a 50. Currently I'm using 58 Danish krona timer, and that one is very nice, amazing. The 12 hours you should use 24 hours. The timer available on any petrol pump based on European, especially on Q8 petrol pump. There is available this one. I will show you in this near one. But my personal opinion, don't purchase as a battery timer for your vehicle. Not like this as well. Don't put it here. You just keep it here and then use the timer. So look at this here. This is the closest frame and anyone can recognize here. This one is available like a 3 hour, 3 hour and 50, 3.5, 3:45 and then 4. So 4 timers is available here. This one is not good, and that one is quality is very bad if you purchase this one. So my recommendation, don't purchase this one. You should purchase this one, available on any petrol pump based on Europe. So if you really like this video, so please share this Tesla related video on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks.